studying determinants of market demand. First 2 points, population and season and weather, were discussed in video number 1. Now we are discussing part 2, in which we will discuss next 3 points. So if this question comes for 5 marks, we have to write 5 meaningful points with correct head point. Third point, government policy. See, government can make policies. Sometimes government wants some goods should be sold less. For example, cigarettes. So it will put high tax on those commodities. Some goods government wants that people buy. So instead of taking tax from the people, it will give subsidies. Subsidies means some help to the producers which government gives so that those goods become cheaper. For example, government want people to use solar panels. So it might give subsidy for solar panel users. So government policy. Government may reduce the demand of a commodity by imposing tax on it. If the government is charging high tax on some commodity, it will become expensive. And once the price rises, the demand decreases, that you know. Or increase the demand by lowering its price. उसकी price कम करके उसकी demand को बढ़ा सकते हैं by giving subsidies. So what is subsidies? I explained. Government is giving help because government wants that people buy those goods. Point number 4, state of business. During boom period वो होता है, production बढ़ रहा होता है, country की GDP gross domestic product बढ़ रहा होता है, economy पूरी बढ़ रही होती है, progress कर रही होती है. So during boom periods, market demand will increase because people, their income is at the highest peak. So their demand will also increase because income is good now. During depression, that is slowdown period, market demand goes down. During depression period, अभी income low है, people are losing their jobs. So obviously demand will also go down. Next point, distribution of income. If there are more poor people, demand for necessities of life are more. यदि लोग ही गरीब हैं, तो वो क्या डिमांड करेंगे? सबसे पहले फूड, बेसिक क्लोथिंग, ये सब डिमांड करेंगे, उसमें ही पैसा खत्म हो जाता है. So when people are poor, demand for necessities of life are more. Increase in percentage of rich people will lead to increase in demand for luxury goods. If more rich people are there, then they will demand maybe a sports car, diamond necklace. ये सब तभी demand होगा ना when there are rich people. So it depends on distribution of income. So government चाहती है कि कम tax लगे on necessity goods and more tax lage on luxury goods. So these are the 5 points you have to cover in this answer.